I am back with another video. In this video, I will be doing a updo braid style, and I'm going to start off by sectioning off my hair. I'm parting the top. I'm separating the back from the front. I'm parting the top in half, and I am going to part this section in half. It's going to be like a little curve because the braids that I'm about to do are about to swoop. I'm actually separating my edges because I don't know, you guys, my edges, I'm still waiting for you guys to comment and tell me some things that I can use for my edges. I'm currently using kaleidoscope. I guess I want edges as fast as 1, 2, 3, but if you guys have anything else that works really quickly, I will very much appreciate it. I'm sectioning the hair, and I'm going to start off by doing a small braid. It's going to be braids in between the bigger braids. I'm starting off by braiding my natural hair, and then I would start to feed in small pieces of hair into this small braid. You guys, at this point, I'm just trying to braid my hair and get this braid very nice and sleek. You want to separate your parts. You don't want to have any flyaways that's coming in contact with your braiding pattern, because you don't want to do like I did here and try to separate the hair once you have the flyaways in the way of the actual braid, because it messes up the parting. And I'm gonna go ahead and just braid like so. I'm just braiding all the way to the ends. I'm not going to braid to the end of the actual extension, but I'm going to braid to the actual end of my hair, where my hair stops at, and then I will continue on with this braid. I am saturating my hair with gel, to make sure it's nice and sleek before I actually braid this hair. For this particular style, I believe I used 4.5 packs of hair, because in all actuality, I only did 8 braids, and the minis probably about let me see, about 6 mini braids, if I'm not mistaken. But I fed in hair from beginning to end on this, and at this point I assume that you guys know how to feed in hair, but I'm feeding in small to large pieces of hair, and I am going to braid this hair in like a downward swoop. So it's gonna be in like a swoop, so you guys, it's not braided straight back, it's braided towards the top and it swoops around. My hair is saturated with jam, just to make sure that the braids are nice and sleek. And I want you guys to go ahead and just continue watching. Yes, you guys, this part is so easy. I didn't think that it was necessary for me to record this whole segment. All I did was parted the back portion in half, and I split the half pieces into two. And now I'm just feeding in and I'm braiding one of the braids. It's going to be a total of 4 braids, you guys. I'm feeding in these braids in the sections of hair. I mean, the sizes of hair would be larger than what I did for the top. You just go ahead and feed them in, and that's basically it. You know, this is this style, and it's very fast, it's very quick. It took me less than an hour to do this style. Of course, you know, I'm kind of experienced, but you guys can do it as well. It's only about 8 braids, and it's easy. Hope you guys like the style, like how I styled it, and subscribe and share.